This underrated product makes almost $360,000 and has almost no competition. So in today's video, I'll show you how to start a similar business. From choosing the right template to designing the final product and making it look professional. And keep watching, because I will give you a bonus to stand out and get more sale. So make sure you start taking notes. Let's get straight to the point. Printable wedding invitation templates. Printable wedding invitation templates are a convenient and creative way to personalize your wedding invitations. These templates offer a range of designs and styles that can be easily customized to suit your wedding theme and aesthetic. Now, if you search for wedding invitations on Etsy, you'll notice that there's a demand for it, and also very low competition, and as the chart shows, the product has a high demand all year round, which means you are going to be making money every single month. Printable wedding invitations are sold in many different styles, so you find flowery templates, minimalistic templates, modern templates, and a lot more. So the possibilities to make money with this business idea are endless. All these listings get lots of consistent reviews, which is a good sign that the product is selling well. So we can see that this store is making around $29K a month and made over $357K since the store opened, and another store is making $942K per year. And the best part is that there isn't much competition, which makes it easier for you to generate sales, especially with the trick I'll show you later in the video. Let me walk you through the process of creating the product. So, head to canva.com and there you will an unlimited number of free templates. Search for the word wedding invitation and choose the template that you like and think it has the potential to generate sales for you. Once you find the right one, start customizing it. If you want to change the colors, the words, fonts, size, or just download it without any modifications. And if you want to design a template for scratch, it would be even better and would make your product more unique. So it's your choice, whether you want to sell an already made template or create your own. The last thing to do to download your product as an editable PDF so the buyer can change the information on the invitation. And now, as promised, let me show you a simple trick that will help you stand out and make more sales. So if we look at our competitors, you'll notice that they all provide a bundle of wedding invitations templates with no extra things. So what we need to do is to provide extra value to stand out on Etsy, so we're going to offer something for free. And I believe that the best things that can make you stand out are bridesmaid invitations. This idea will definitely increase your sales since no one is making it. So head again to Canva and start searching for bridesmaid invitations templates. Then choose one that suits you, or you can even make your own. The choice is yours. Once you finish designing it, download it as an editable PDF to include it to your bundle. Trust me, they will not think twice about making the purchase, because who doesn't like free stuff? This is a famous marketing technique, and I'm very confident you've seen it before. And all you need to do now is keep making different designs and then list them on Etsy to hopefully start seeing results. And that was the end of today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If so, please hit the like button and let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. If you've made it this far in the video, then I'd like to say thanks for your support, and I want to congratulate you for being one of the few people who takes everything seriously. See you next time.